cookie?
Yeah, mine's... Oh, see, that's good. I didn't do nearly that good. Ah, that's cute.
I got the red caboose and everything.
Very nice.
I like it. Oh, they had to make it all epic and shit. I love how people start getting in the... Immediately try to get in your things. But I don't see an actual... There's only one minecart. Apparently everybody wanted to use minecarts.
I did too.
It's okay. It's legit. It's the closest thing we have to a train.
There's mine.
Hey, look at your big red caboose. Or is that the engine?
I have no idea. Oh, that's okay.
I like how they did the wheels. I'm going to give that a good because I like how they did the wheels.
Right? I like how they have the villagers in there.
Yeah, that's pretty cute.
That one's okay. I don't quite like the whole iron look.
Eh.
It's a little too much iron. Oh no, that's not iron. That's dye, right?
It's all one color. It's really hard to...
Oh, see, that one's good.
It's okay. I love our differing opinions on stuff.
Oh, somebody used lapis, really?
Poop.
I gave it an okay. I'm nicer than you.
Well, we've already firmly established that I am a fucking dick.
I scored 5th.
I'm 4th.
Nice.
Not really sure what to do with karma points, but apparently I'm getting those every time I say GG in chat.
Yeah, I'm not